If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If you distribute a form in Acrobat via email, then you will receive the form responses via email as an attachment. To collect and track the responses to the form, open the attachment in Acrobat from the email response you receive to launch the Add Completed Form to Response File dialog box. Select the Add to an Existing Response File option button. If you have multiple forms that are currently distributed, use the Adjacent dropdown to select the response form associated with the received form response. If it is not shown in the drop-down list, you can click the Browse button to launch the Select Existing Response File dialog box so you can navigate to the response file, click it to select it, and then click the Open button in the dialog box to add it to the drop-down. Although rarely used, if needed to instead create a new response file, select the Create a New Response File option button. You can then click the Adjacent Browse button to open the Create New Response File dialog box, where you can select a location to save the new response file, and then click the Save button in the dialog box to save it. After selecting the correct response file within the Add to an Existing Response File dialog box, click the OK button. Acrobat adds the form response data to the selected response file. All the collected form data appears in the form response file, which you then save. Alternatively, if you distribute the form via a shared network drive, then the responses are automatically saved when a user completes the form within the link or attachment in the email you sent to them. Their answers are automatically imported into the form response file associated with the form when you next open the form response file in Acrobat. To open and import the associated form response file within the Tracker window in Acrobat, click the hamburger menu button, roll down to the View command, and then select Tracker from the side menu that appears. In the Tracker window that then opens, select the Network Distributed Form for which to view responses under the Distributed category of the Forms category at the left side of the Tracker window. Then click the View Responses hyperlink in the area to the right to open the form response file for the selected form. Acrobat imports and shows any new responses received for the form response file. You can then save the changes to the form response file. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.